Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cooking Chair. You know, I had some leftover chicken, wondered what to do with it, and I thought, chicken Riggies would be so nice. And the great thing is you can also do this with turkey. Pretty easy to make and so delicious, you're gonna love it. So let me show you how to do it. So the first thing we're gonna do, guys, is grab up a couple of Italian sausages, then give them a slice down the center. Grab up that casing and just peel it off. Now we're gonna add them to a pan over medium-high heat. Break them down and cook them up until they're basically just about cooked through. Now I'm using Italian here, but you can use the sausage of your choice. Next up, I'm going to go in with a small chopped onion and about 10 or 12 sliced up button mushrooms. Now we're just going to stir and fry everything, continuing over medium-high heat until those mushrooms begin to sweat a little bit and that wonderful aroma of onion fills the air. You could also add a bit of garlic in here too, which I didn't do. Believe it or not, I did not add garlic. What's the matter with me? I'm slipping. Now in with that leftover chicken or turkey from the night before. You can also buy it in the store pre-made. And we are just going to continue to stir and fry, and you can see now how everything is kind of coming together here. And you know, on a side note, something I really want to do is make my own sausage. Let me know about that. Alrighty then, let's crack open a jar of marinara sauce. Then simply just go ahead and pour this in. Now you could also use spaghetti sauce, tomato sauce, or even diced tomatoes, which are a little cheaper. Throw in a cup of broth, some heavy cream, a good splash, I'd say, I don't know, about a quarter of a cup, something like that. And you know what, after I did all that, I got thinking, no, I have to have garlic, so I'm gonna add in about a tablespoon. Okay, now in with a combination of red and yellow banana peppers. Oh, this is gonna be good. And yes, Willie Lee, half a cup of black olives. I'll bet you never guessed in a million years where I got the name Willie Lee. Season things up with a bit of salt, I'd say about a teaspoon. By the way, Willie Lee was from a country and western song, I think. Another teaspoon or two of ground black pepper. As a matter of fact, to give you a hint, some of the lyrics are, yes, my name is Willie Lee. If you got a warrant, just to read it to me. Anyway, just go ahead and give everything a stir around until it comes together. And isn't this starting to look good, guys? You know, I could just go ahead and eat this sauce as is. But no, we are going to reduce the heat and let this simmer away. I'd say for about 10 minutes or so while we cook the pasta, because it wouldn't be Riggies without pasta. So we're going to throw 4 cups of rigatoni, get it, Riggies, rigatoni, into a pot of boiling salted water. Give them a stir around so nothing sticks to the bottom. We're going to let these cook away for about 10 minutes until they're al dente. Al dente, I don't like using fancy words, but I guess it just means cooked through until they got a bit of a bite to them. Once they is done, guys, we're going to use the old spider. I just love this thing. And you got it, put them into that simmering sauce that looks so good. And I'm just guessing, guys, this is going to be some mighty fine victuals here. Why, you know, all these terms might just be the Canadian hillbilly coming out in me. Of course, over the top with, I'd say about a cup of mozzarella. You gotta have cheese, guys. Now I'm just going to grab up the old spatula and gently fold everything together, and I have to do this gently because I got my pan pretty full here and it's going to slosh and sloosh over the side. But you know, that's all good and fine and okay and stuff. But you do want that cheese mixed in there ever so nicely. Alrighty then, now we's just getting there. Now guys, we could eat them as is, and of course you can, but I'm going to go the extra step and put these into a casserole dish. And when I'm saying these, I mean the rigatoni noodles. Just look at this, and I bet you can't guess what we're going to do next. Of course, you probably guessed it. We're going to throw some more mozzarella over the top. Oh my goodness. And to make things even gooder, we're going to use some Parmigiano too. Mozzarella and Parmesan. Life doesn't get much better. Now we're going into a 375 degrees Celsius, about 190 Fahrenheit preheated oven for about, I'd say 10 or 15 minutes, just until that cheese melts down. After about 15 minutes, just look at this, guys. I mean, just look at it. How can you possibly resist this? And you know what? Let's throw some parsley over that just to make this a work of art and beauty. And there she be, guys. Our chicken or turkey, whatever you're using, Riggies. It doesn't get much better. And it's a great after Christmas or any time of the year dinner, lunch. Wonder about breakfast? No, I don't think so. I don't know. Even a snack, maybe. But I think I would serve this up with a salad on the side. Caesar, maybe? I don't know. You let me know and just bloop a comment below. And you bite into this, guys. It goes beyond mighty fine victuals. It is absolutely superb victuals. It is so, so good. Oh my goodness, the cheese, the sauce, the chicken and the sausage just blend together so beautifully. It is definitely a must make. And if you do make it, drop us a comment because it helps the channel out. Like, and most of all, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and see you next time.